The practice of Digital India Authentication Service Agency, that is ASA. Introduction. ASA or Authentication Service Agencies are agencies that have established secured leased line connectivity with CIDR compliant with UIDI standards and specifications. ASAs offer their UIDIA compliant network connectivity as a service to requesting entities such as AUS and KUS and transmit their authentication request to CIDR. Appointment of authentication service agencies. Number one, fill online application form. Any agency meeting the eligibility criteria as specified by UIDAI for appointment as authentication service agency ASA shall submit an online application. UIDAI has published an online workflow based application form for engaging ASAs. Send signed contract and supporting documents to UIDAI. The ASA should send hard copy of the signed contract along with the required supporting documents to UIDAI. The online application would be approved by UIDAI upon the receipt of the required documents. Establish leased line connectivity with CIDR. The ASA needs to draw secure leased line or MPLS connectivity from its data center to CIDR. The ASA should plan bandwidth, redundancy, etc. based on their business requirements. At least one pair of enterprise class routers in active standby mode to eliminate single point failure needs to be provisioned by ASAs while terminating leased line at CIDR. Although ASAs can choose to provision leased line connectivity to one of data centers, it is highly recommended that ASAs need to provision dual redundancy links to both data centers, namely Hebbal Data Center HDC and Manesar Data Center MDC, to ensure high availability and reliability of other services for the requesting entities. Ensure process and technology compliance. The ASA needs to set up necessary systems, processes, infrastructure, etc. in compliance with UIDAI's standards and specification as laid down in the ASA handbook. Compliance to various requirements need to be confirmed to UIDAI through the online application form. Obtain approvals from UIDAI. UIDAI would approve an ASIS application form when various compliance requirements are met. An ASA should engage with UIDAI during the process and provide necessary clarification as required. Carry out an end-to-end testing. An approval from UIDAI allows ASA to carry out end-to-end testing of their connectivity with CIDR in UIDAI's pre-production environment. Before going live, it is highly recommended that an ASA works with the requesting entity to carry out end-to-end testing of the connectivity from devices to requesting entity to ASA to CIDR and reverse response communication. An ASA should also carry out load testing to ensure bandwidth adequacy. The ASA would need to get the systems related to other authentication audited by information system auditors certified by a recognized body before going live. Go live. An ASA can get into the go live or production stage only after confirmation of adherence to all UIDAI's process procedures in pre-production environment. UIDAI plans to manage the same through online workflow based application. In addition, an ASA can transmit authentication packet only after it engages with the requesting entity. Engage with requesting entities. An ASA may enter into a formal agreement with the requesting entities that it supports. However, the agreement and the commercial terms, if any, between an ASA and an AUA is at the sole discretion of the signing parties, and UIDI does not have any responsibility regarding the same. Similarly, if an ASA provides any value-added service to an AUA over and above Aadhaar-based authentication, UIDA will not be liable to any such services. ASA responsibilities and data securities. For ASA responsibilities and data securities, the Aadhaar Act 2016 and its regulations may be referred. More information about ASA can be had by visiting the following URL at uidia.gov.in.